Becoming a millionaire by 2025 may seem like a lofty goal, but with the right strategies and mindset, it is entirely possible. In today's fast-paced world, financial opportunities abound, and leveraging them can help accelerate your journey to wealth. This video will explore actionable steps you can take to make the goal of becoming a millionaire not just a dream, but a reality. First and foremost, the foundation of wealth building lies in financial literacy. Understanding basic financial principles is crucial. Educate yourself on topics such as budgeting, investing, saving, and debt management. Resources such as online courses, books, and podcasts offer valuable insights that can equip you to make informed decisions. Additionally, familiarize yourself with different investment vehicles, including stocks, real estate, and mutual funds. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate your financial journey. Next, developing a solid savings plan is essential. Start by crafting a budget that allows you to allocate a portion of your income towards savings consistently. Aim to save at least 20% of your earnings each month. Open a high-yield savings account or explore other savings options that can help your money grow over time. Additionally, consider automating your savings to ensure that you pay yourself first, making it easier to build your wealth without even thinking about it. Investing is another key strategy for wealth accumulation. Instead of letting your money sit idly in a savings account, put it to work for you. Diversify your investments across various sectors to mitigate risk, and consider both short-term and long-term growth strategies. Look into index funds or exchange-traded funds, which can provide a stable return on investment. By investing early and consistently, even small contributions can compound significantly over the years, paving your path to millionaire status. Lastly, cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. Many millionaires have made their wealth by starting their own businesses or side hustles. Identify your unique skills or passions and explore how they can be turned into lucrative opportunities. Whether it's freelancing, creating an online store, or investing in real estate, entrepreneurship offers a pathway to financial independence. Additionally, don't hesitate to network with like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and support as you embark on your journey. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire by 2025 is an achievable goal if you take proactive steps towards financial literacy, saving, investing, and possibly entrepreneurship. By implementing these strategies into your daily life, you can build a robust financial future. Remember, it all starts with setting clear goals, staying disciplined, and keeping your eyes on the prize. Now is the time to take action and pave your way to wealth. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more millionaire mindset tips and strategies. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's the best strategies to use to become a millionaire? Let's discuss.